So hello people, today we're going to learn mensuration. So you have learned mensuration in 7th and 6th again like last time. But 7th is not in mensuration, it was perimeter and area. It was perimeter and area. Yes. So now, yes, it is here. So now first we will learn perimeter and area and then only we'll start mensuration in plan. So now 29 here, it's the page here. So now, perimeter and area is a very easy concept. I am just taking a book just for not forgetting, because if I teach something wrong, then you people are the one to get lost. So I don't want that to happen. So just in case, I am keeping a book with myself. And secondly, I will forget things. I am a very forgetful mind. So yes, unit of measurement of area. So there are many units of measurement. That is, one of them is centimeter square, meter square, hectare. So 1 hectare is equal to, so 1 hectare or hectometer square, 1 hectometer square is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectometer square is equal to 10,000 meter square. So this is, then conversion I think I don't need to give you. Yes. So now we are going to learn simple polygons. Okay, can I erase this? I'll give you some time. Okay, I don't think you need to write this. So just give 2 seconds. Yeah. So now rectilinear figure. So now we're gonna learn rectilinear figure. A figure which is made up of line segments. Like a rectilinear shape is also considered as polygon. So this is a polygon. This is what? This is a polygon. So now closed figure. A figure which is entirely closed and the starting point and end point are the same. This here, I know in this circle what I wrote doesn't have a same starting point and ending point. So leaving that, just think it, assume it as a starting and ending point is the same. So now I will explain one more shape. So now I am going to explain a rectangle. So first one is a rectangle. So first one is what? A rectangle. This is not a perfect one, but okay. For now we can adjust. So this is B length, width is B and length is L. So the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Next one. Area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. Then length is equal to A by B, and B is equal to A by L. So this is not required to memorize. You can just derive it like this, but in auxiliary formula. Then diagonal. So diagonal. So this is a diagonal D. This is a diagonal D. So D is equal to root L square plus B square. This we can derive using the Pythagorean theorem or Pythagoras theorem, as you say. So next, so this is about a rectangle. Next one is area and the perimeter of a square. I hope you note this down. Yes. So now next one is a square. Next one is a square. So now this is a square. So it has one uniform side length S. So this square has uniform side length S. So then area of the square is a S square. Area of the square is a S square. Perimeter of the square is 4 into S. Right. Next one is diagonal of the square. Diagonal of the square D is equal to root 2A. When you do Pythagorean theorem, you will get it. Then next one, area of this square. Wait. Yeah, area of the square we discussed. And yeah, so this is it about square. So I think this is not too much to note down. Yes, so yeah, and we have finished perimeter and area for rectangle and square. Now it is parallelogram. Now we are learning parallelogram. Parallelogram. So now for parallelogram, so this is considered as height of a parallelogram. And this is considered as a base, height or altitude of a parallelogram. So now area of a parallelogram is BH. Area of a parallelogram is BH. So now, yeah, then perimeter is just basically the sum of all sides. I think I don't need to tell that. And this is it about parallelogram. Next one is a triangle. So triangle has a 0 diagonal, so don't need to draw. So now this will intersect in the middle. this was a bisector. The perpendicular, no, yeah, this is a perpendicular bisector. Yes. So here, this is our height and this is our base. So now, area here is half, or half of it. Why? Because when we divide like this, we are getting the same area, but half of it. So half BH we are getting. Half BH. Now, so when it is a right angle triangle, area is equal to half into the, now this is A, this is B, you think? So it is half of AB, product of the legs. Not this legs, it's not this legs, it is the triangle legs, not human legs, triangular legs. Yes, so now please note this down. Everything else is easy. Okay, can I erase this? Okay. So now, next one we are going to learn is what I drew in the starting of the video and it did not come out properly as a closed figure. So what is that? That is a circle. So now, a circle, so now, from here to here the distance is fixed, from here to here the distance is fixed, from here to here the distance is fixed. So everywhere the distance is fixed, it is making a circle. That is considered as it is making a circle. So when a shape like that is happening, that is considered as a circle. Next, circular region. The part of the circle that consists of the circle and its interior is called the circular region. So this is the circular region of the circle. Next one is chord. Next one is chord. So chord is this one. This is considered as a chord. What is the longest chord of a circle? Longest chord of a circle is a diameter, which is passing through the center. Next one is concentric circles. Now in a circle there is a circle, and inside this circle there is one more circle. So this is considered as a concentric circles. Next one is circumference of a circle. Circumference of the circle. So this perimeter of the circle is considered as the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle P is equal to 2 pi r. And area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Okay. Now, whenever they have given two concentric circles here, and I want to find the area, this between area, then it is pi square into r square, capital R square minus r square, where capital R is the radius of the larger circle and small r is the radius of the smaller circle. No, pi, not pi r, not pi square, pi into r square minus r square. Yes, so this is our area. So this is only about circles. And a pi, you can take it as two values only. Either it is 3.14 or 22/7. So if it is given, take pi as 3.14, that time you can take pi as 3.14, or if it is given 22/7, you can take it as 22/7. So now this is it about mensuration in 7th standard. Can I erase this? Yeah. So now this is it about mensuration of a 7th standard. So now we are going to learn 8th standard mensuration. Now we are going to learn 8th standard mensuration. We are going to learn the actual mensuration. Yeah. So now rectangle, square, triangle is now rhombus. So now we are going to discuss a new figure called a rhombus. What is it called? A rhombus. So a rhombus is which does not have equal angles but has equal sides. So this is considered as a rhombus. It looks like a square but it's a rhombus what I draw here. So now this is considered as the first diagonal and this is considered as a second diagonal. Okay. Now, if I want to find the area of this thing, it would be A is equal to half D1 D2. Half D1 D2. Okay. So next one, trapezium. Trapezium or trapezoid, whatever you call. This is the same height and this is the same base. So it is a base into height. So the same thing. No, wait. Sorry. I also forgot. Half into, so now this is your height and this is longer side and shorter side, right? So it is half h into longer side plus shorter side. So that's it about mensuration. So I hope you understand. Can I erase this? Yeah. Yes. Now we're going to learn. Yeah. Next one, we're going to learn for solid shapes. So now what is this? Cuboid. So cuboid, it has L, B and H. So what is the area of a cuboid? LB, H. What is the volume of, no, this is volume. Okay, this is the volume of a, cuboid.